Good morning and welcome to MS Tutoring Academy. Let's continue once again. Calculate the value of n if we've got that. So that's a sigma question, sigma notation. This is what we have. We're adding n terms. So number of terms that we're adding in this series is top minus bottom plus 1. Top is n. The bottom value we're starting at 1. Subtract 1 and then we add 1. So we're adding n terms. Okay, perfect. So in our term 1, which will be the value of a, is 2. Where do we start? At k equals to 1. Then we substitute 1. So it's just 2. Right? And the common ratio, it's also 2. T2 is going to be 2 to the power of 2, which is 4. R is T2 divided by T1. 4 divided by 2 is 2. Okay, just to compare. Cool. So now we can use the formula. This is a geometric series. So they add up to our 2046. 2046. And the value of a, which is term 1, is 2. The value of r is 2 again, to n minus 1 over 2 minus 1. So it's just 2046, 2 to the power of this. We divide both sides by 2. We get 1023, 2 to the power of n minus 1. So here we divided both sides by 2. 2046 divided by 2, 1023, and then we add 1 on both sides, so you get 2024, 2 to the power of n, and then this one is 2 to the power of 10. Therefore n is 10, and then we are done with this one. One more, let's see, 2.8. The sum of the fifth and the ninth terms, the ninth terms of an arithmetic sequence is 6. So t5 plus t9 is 6, while the 25th term is t25 is negative 24. Calculate the sum of the first 50 terms. So they want us to calculate this. And then what is the sum formula? N over 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 times d. So what do we need to calculate this? We need a, we need d, right? We need to find out what a is, we need to find out what d is. We already know what n is, it's 50. Cool. So let's use what they've given us and see if we can calculate those values. So Tn equals to a plus n minus 1 d. We'll start with T5, a plus 5 minus 1, which is 4, and then T9 is a plus 9 minus 1. A plus 9 minus 1 is 8d. That's T9. And then finally T25, it's a plus 25 minus 1 d, a plus 24 d. T25 is negative 24. So we've got two equations with two unknowns, but so far we've got the first equation. The second equation will come from this T5, which is a plus 4d, plus T9, which is a plus 8d, equals to 6. Two equations, two unknowns, so you can solve simultaneously. We've got 2a plus 12d equals to 6. So here we're going to say negative 24 minus 24d equals to a. We take that to the left hand side, and then we'll substitute this into this equation, and we get 2 into negative 24 minus 24d plus 12d equals to 6. Negative 48 minus 48d plus 12d equals to 6. And then we're going to say negative 36d equals to 6 plus 48. 54, and then D equals to 54 divided by 36, -3/2. As for the value of A, substitute back into that equation of -24 minus 24, -3/2. So minus 24 into -3/2, we get a value of A of positive 12. And then now finally Sn, why am I using black? Sn, we substitute into this, and then we're looking for S50. A is -3/2, and no, A is 12, n is 50. This one is -3/2, and that is our answer, which is 50/2 into 2 times 12 plus 50 minus 1 times, let's use brackets, and then close the big bracket, and that's the sum. And that's the answer. We are done. Okay, let me just write the answer here because it might not appear nicely on the phone on TikTok. Okay, that's the end of this question.